Tekunlah belajar, karena cita-cita harus dikejar. Jangan sampai malas nanti hidupmu bermalas. Ibu bapak guru selalu mengajarkan bahwa hidup mudah dengan pengetahuan. Ilmu itu meninggikan derajat dunia maupun akhirat. Ayah bunda selalu mengatakan malas belajar dan kebetulan di waktu kecil malas sekolah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya akan menceritakan dalam bahasa Inggris. Judulnya The Ugly Duckling. The ducks had ABC. They had one by one and two. There were six yellow-feathered ducklings stepping inside it. The last egg took longer to hatch, and from it emerged a strange-looking duckling with gray feathers. Everybody thought the gray duckling was ugly, including its own mother. The dejected duckling ran away and lived alone in a swamp until the winter came. Seeing the duckling suffering in the winter, a farmer took pity on it and gave it food and shelter. However, the duckling was afraid of the farmer's waiting children, left to the cage by a frozen lake. When spring came, the flock of people swarmed deserted on their way. The duckling, who was naturally young or lonely, approached the swan, fully expecting to be rejected. To its surprise, the swan welcomed him. He invited reflection in the water and realized that he wasn't an ugly duckling anymore, but a beautiful swan. He joined the flock and flew off into a new fountain. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hari ini saya akan membacakan cerita yang berjudul Aktivitasku. Ketika terdengar suara azan subuh berkumandang, suara mama dengan penuh cinta membangunkan saya untuk bergegas melaksanakan salat subuh. Dengan merasa malas, saya singkirkan selimut, bergegas ke
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
burung warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Iya.
Tepuk tangannya semangat ya. Wabarakatuh. Nama saya Nina Hidahasta, kami dari Kilang Suatu.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Dan yang kita panggil teman kita yang bernama Layana Saliha dari kelas 2B untuk membacakan ceritanya. Kita persilakan kepada Naila. Ayo Naila.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Saya akan menceritakan tentang anak durhaka. Pada di sebuah desa hidup seorang ibu bangsa. Anak itu bernama Manik dan tidak pernah kasih temanku. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Saya mau membacakan pantun. Susu pakai gelas, susunya dinginnya hangat-hangat kuku. Bila kamu mau naik kelas, banyak-banyaklah membaca buku.
Iya, tepuk tangan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih kita ucapkan dalam bahasa Inggris. Kita persilakan kepada Alika Zatria.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi A story tells of two friends who both considered the journey. They had an argument, and one friend slapped the other one in the face. The one who got slapped was hurt, but without saying anything, wrote in the sand, "Today my best friend slapped me in the face." They kept on walking until they found an oasis, where they decided to take a bath. The friend who had been slapped got stuck in the mire and started drowning, but the other friend saved him. After he recovered from the near drowning, he wrote on his stone, "Today my best friend saved my life." The friend who had slapped and saved his best friend Ursula. When they were killed, he wrote in the sand. Now he wrote on his stone. Why? So he cried. When someone hurt us, we thought, why did we care? We're way to forget us and erase it away. But when somebody does something good for us, we must embrace it and show where no one can ever leave. Saya akan membacakan ibu. Oh ibu, kau yang telah melahirkanku, kau yang telah menjagaku, kau yang telah membantuku dan mengajari dalam banyak hari. Oh ibu, bagaimana aku balas jasamu? Terima kasih ibu, kau yang terbaik. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Terima kasih dan mengucapkan dia telah datang cepat dan tidak telat.